In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms of service on Shopify. Whether you're just starting your online store or you've been in the game for a while, having a clearly defined terms of service is crucial for setting customer expectations and protecting your business. So, let's walk through the process together. To get started, we'll first need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Settings tab. This section is the heart of your Shopify store, where you can customize various aspects to better suit your business needs. Now, once you're in the Settings area, you'll see a range of options. What you're going to do is click on Policies. This is where you can manage all your necessary legal documents, including your terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy. At this point, you'll see sections for each type of policy. Look for the section specifically labeling Terms of Service. Click right into that text box. If you don't already have a set Terms of Service document, Shopify offers a generic template to help you get started. The template is a great jumping-off point, but it's important to tailor it to fit the exact specifics of your business operation. If you already have a Terms of Service document ready, you can simply copy and paste it into the text box. As you input your Terms of Service, make sure to include crucial information such as your company name, contact information, and any specific details about product warranties, returns, service limitations, or legal disclaimers that are unique to your business. Pay close attention to making it clear and concise to avoid any misunderstandings. This is your opportunity to set the ground rules for your customer interactions, so take your time with this step. Once you're satisfied with how your Terms of Service appears, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. Always remember to save your work before navigating away, as this will ensure all changes are properly updated on your store. After saving, you'll want to ensure your Terms of Service is visible to your customers. Navigate to your store's online store settings, then to Navigation. Here you can add your Terms of Service to your store's menus. Typically, it goes best in your footer menu so customers can easily find it. Remember, keeping your terms updated in line with any changes to your business policy or legal requirements is important. Regular updates help maintain clarity and prevent any potential disputes. And there you have it. Adding a Terms of Service to your Shopify store is a vital step for legally protecting your business and clearly articulating the terms of doing business with you. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips on managing your Shopify store.